Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. And in this video we're looking at the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM DDR4. In this case it's two 8GB sections, which totals up to being 16GB, showing my mathematical skills there. After some extensive research, I decided to plump for 3200Hz, or megahertz I should correct myself by saying, because this speed rating has been proven to be the most reliable, certainly at this stage of filming. It's also been proven to be excellent for overclockers and is absolutely brilliant and goes like hell apparently. Now, as you can see as this unboxing unfolds, there's not a lot in here apart from the two RAM modules, two 8GB sticks. Whilst building this gaming PC with my son, we were tossing up between using RGB variants of this or another brand, but again I wanted the reliability. We decided not to go for the RGB variant because it takes up too much space, and if you've got a large graphics card or several graphics cards inside, it can cause quite an issue. Also, if you're using liquid coolers, as we plan to do. I've seen plenty of liquid cooler installations, especially the ones made by Corsair, where the radiator just doesn't fit, usually because it's in touch or connection with the top of the RGB RAM modules. A bit frustrating. Anyway, this is what you get inside the box. You get a box with a safety leaflet and the two RAM modules in blister packaging. A little uninspiring to look at, but awesome nonetheless. Rather than just leave this as an unboxing video, I thought I'd just show you how I actually installed it in the motherboard slots themselves. And it's important to get the right way round, as you can see there. So I twisted it around so the connectors fit. I'm also not touching the gold connectors, never touch them with your fingers. When you push it in, you'll notice there's quite a bit of pressure there. And as you push it in, you'll find that the two outer clips bounce back in, as you'll see. Bit of resistance there, but just keep pressing until they click in. There you go. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the next one. Would I recommend this product? Yes, absolutely. So much so that I'm going to be buying some more RAM sticks such as this, more than likely boosting it up to 32GB. It works flawlessly. I can tell you now, it works brilliantly because the gaming PC has been built, as you'll see in later uploads.